Hello everybody, welcome to our video tutorials. In this part of our Toolkit video series, we show the two options for downloading the software and the needed configuration files. Let's have a look at option 1, for Toolkit. Start your web browser and go to our homepage, www.woodward.com. Enter Toolkit, and click Search. Click Software on the left, to filter the results. Scroll down a little and find Toolkit. Click Toolkit 6, or higher version. Scroll down and click Download. If you are not registered yet, just fill in the quick registration form with name and email, then, download. If you are registered already, click I am already member. And, sign in, with your email and password. Scroll down and click Download again. After download finished, execute the file to start the installation of Toolkit. Follow the installation routine of Toolkit installer, until it is finished. The second step when working with Toolkit, is to have the configuration files installed which fit to your controller. Start at our homepage www.woodward.com. Move your mouse pointer to Support. In column Industrial, click Technical Help Desk. Scroll down and find Control Configuration Files, and click Learn More. Enter part number and revision of your device. For example, 8440-2088, Revision H. Select Toolkit for application type. Click Search. At next page, there shows the link for the requested files. In this example it is a self-extracting MSI file. For certain controls there may be a zip file instead. Click to download, and then execute the MSI file. Follow the installation steps, till finish. The second option to get Toolkit and the needed configuration files is simple. Just scan the QR code on the back panel of controller, or type the clear text link in your browser to get there. Here, for example, you can see the QR code on an easYgen-3000XT P2. The QR code links to our freely accessible file server, for the Woodward power generation controls, independent from the Woodward website. The QR code takes you to the folder that contains all available files for the control model. Besides the software and configuration files, there are as well further files, for example manuals, product specification sheets, drawings, etc. Click O3 Software. Click Toolkit. Click Toolkit Setup to download and execute the installation. The configuration files you can also get from that server. Navigate back to the top folder, where the QR code links to. Or just scan the QR code again. Click O2 Config Files. Click the actual part number and revision. In this example it is 8440-2088H. Besides the files needed for Toolkit, there you also can find the EDS file, and the package files. The EDS is used to implement the visualization data through CAN bus in a PLC system. The package files is used when working with other software tools, for example, Localization Tool or the Modbus Master Mapper. Click Multilingual Toolkit MSI file to start the download. Execute the MSI file, and follow the installation steps till finish. That's all for now. Thank you for watching our video. Watch also the next video tutorials of this Toolkit series.